Hello, fellow viewers. Welcome back to IQ Fusion, where we bring you the latest and most intriguing news from around the world. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the discovery of Chinese components in Russian weapons used in Ukraine. As tensions continue to rise in the region, Ukrainian forces have reported finding an increasing number of Chinese-made components in Russian weapons recovered from the battlefield. Vladyslav Vlasiuk, a senior advisor in President Volodymyr Zelensky's office, revealed this startling information in an exclusive interview with Reuters. The trend is now that there is less Western-made components, but more. Not hard to guess which country made components. Of course, China, Vlasiuk shared via a video call. The discovery of Chinese components in Russian weapons has raised eyebrows, as Western supplies to Russia have been squeezed by sanctions imposed due to Moscow's all-out invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Intelligence gathered by Ukrainian experts from the battlefield and shared with Reuters pointed out that Chinese-made components were found in crucial systems such as the navigation system in Orlan aerial drones, which had previously used a Swiss system, and the fire control system in Russian tanks, which had earlier used French-made parts. While China has repeatedly denied sending military equipment to Russia, the revelation of Chinese components in Russian weapons has raised questions about China's involvement in the conflict. Vlasiuk further revealed that Ukraine has been able to identify some manufacturers or suppliers, including China North Industries Group Norinco and Xinjiang Guangzhou Import-Export Co., and has shared this information with Western allies. The situation becomes even more intriguing as U.S. officials express concerns about so-called dual-use products, such as electronics that can be used in both civilian appliances and weapons, in the ongoing battle to impose sanctions on Russia, and close loopholes Moscow may find to avoid them. The U.S. has recently added Chinese companies to its latest sanctions, including a satellite image reseller that allegedly supplied imagery of locations in Ukraine to entities affiliated with Russia's Wagner and its head, Yevgeny Prigozhin. As the situation unfolds, China, which has positioned itself as a mediator in the conflict, has denied inflaming the conflict and maintains that its trade cooperation with all countries, including Russia, is based on equality and mutual benefit. However, Ukraine has imposed sanctions on a Chinese company, Comnav Technology, for supplying navigation and radar equipment to Russia that could potentially support Russian and Iranian drones and missiles. So, viewers, what are your thoughts on this topic? Do you find the discovery of Chinese components in Russian weapons used in Ukraine intriguing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging updates on global news. Thank you for tuning in.